We're back with another video, and in this video, we're gonna go over the H-Index. Now, we jump straight into the comments to see what people are saying about this. This comment section is pretty angry. Bro, how are you sorting in O-N? Stop spreading myths. Ow, this statement is pointless. Why are people so angry about code? Well, we're gonna solve this bad boy together. We're gonna throw it into our ChatGPT, make it sound easy for everyone to understand, and hopefully everything works. Stop all the hate, guys. It's just coding. You're gonna have some that works and some that doesn't. So let's make coding simple. This is a problem right here. This is a medium level. Go ahead and plug this in here and see what we come up with. Now, chat should ask me if it's gonna be a gaming or anime theme, and hopefully it doesn't skip past that. Here we go. Last time it did. Let's have it read this part for us real quick.
Pattern problem summary. The task is to calculate the H-index of a researcher given an array of integers, citations, where citations I is the number of citations a researcher received for their ith paper. The H-index is defined as the maximum value H such that the researcher has published at least H papers that have been cited at least H times. Would you like this story to take place in a gaming or anime world?
Gotta be nice to these chatbots. You never know. If you guys are liking the music, give it a thumbs up. If you're liking the videos and this concept, give it a thumbs up and leave comments on what you would like to see differently. Maybe you want more than just gaming, mystery, and anime. Maybe you want something different. This is for who struggle to understand the coding concept sometimes. Sometimes it's easy. I ain't gonna say every time it's hard, but sometimes it just doesn't make no damn sense.
Gaming story, the quest for the researcher's legacy. In the digital expanse of Scholar's Forge, a game where adventurers dive into the archives of forgotten knowledge, a lone researcher's legacy was locked behind a mystical barrier. The legend spoke of an artifact, the H-Index crown, hidden deep within the ancient vaults. This crown represented the researcher's impact in the scholarly realms. To retrieve the artifact, you, the seeker of truth, must solve a numerical puzzle embedded within the vault's gates. The gate projects an array of glowing numbers, each representing the researcher's citation count for their papers. Your task? Find the H-index, a number that determines the researcher's most impactful contributions. But beware, a ticking clock looms above, and the shadows creep closer. Will you solve the puzzle and unlock the crown before the archives are consumed by the void? Problem-solving approach. In this problem, we'll need to 1. Sort the array of citations in descending order, manually, because Magic doesn't come with built-in libraries. 2. Determine the highest value H such that there are at least H papers with H or more citations. Solution in Java. Here's how you'll unlock the vault and claim the crown. Java public class solution, public int index int citations. Step 1. Sort the array manually in descending order for int I equals 0, I citations.length I plus. For Jate's ifs 1, J citations.length J plus. If citations I, citations J swap values to sort in descending order. Int temp equals citations I, citations J equals temp. Step 2, find the H-index, int H-index equals 0. For int I equals 0, I citations.length I plus. If citations I equals I plus 1, H-index equals I plus 1, else break, return H-index. Would you like to create a LeetCode themed thumbnail for this story?
And this one, I feel like it's gonna be fire. But we'll see. Chat hasn't missed yet. This could be the